one who's supposed to be here. If you think I'm lying under the fucking whatever for you on this one, Reagan, you are out of your goddamn mind. Well, somebody needs to fix it, and it's not gonna be me. Why did you have to make everyone else so miserable just because Frank stopped fucking you when you turned 27? Oh, come on, Jenna, I do not need this shit from you. Get off my dick! At least Clyde didn't string me along. At least he had the decency to tell me that he didn't love me. Clyde ended with an abortion that I had to drive you to. Why did you say that? Well, it's nothing to be ashamed of, Jenna. I'm not ashamed. Yes, you are. But you shouldn't be. I just don't think that it's fair for you to pull some holier-than-thou routine with me when you're not even being honest. But